morning we're going to have a look at my settings, setup as well for some basic filming and wildlife images, and that's down in the Forest of Dean. So what I'm using is the Canon 90d, which is a crop sensor camera, the 70-200 Canon lens, 2.8, that's the Mark II version. I normally have it on a monopod because more often than not I'm filming or images of the wild boar, the deer and the birds, but not the birds up in the trees, etc. I would take the monopod off when I'm using that. What we have on here is the Calumet Loop View, and when that's on, that gives me the opportunity to do the images through the loop view, through the live view, and the the video in live view, because as you know with the 90d you can't do it through the eyepiece. So I'm normally in TV mode, shutter priority. These are the settings for images. As you can see, shutter priority, exposures, whatever it's got to be, auto ISO. It's 1/1000 at the moment, but you just alter that to suit. High speed shooting, let's turn it back on again. So this is what I have it on normally for video mode. I just use shutter priority for video, adjust the exposure accordingly. I've got it in 4K 29, call it 30 frames a second. AF, again it's you choose what you need to choose. Sometimes I'll shoot in manual, that depends how I feel. But this seems to work very well, and I will put you some images up shortly, videos and images. Right, here we can see at the moment it's on 1.2 meters, but that's basically because I'm filming a few close-ish. AF mode, stabilizer on, stabilizer mode 1. Never had a problem doing it that way. I'm out at 200, and I'll alter that accordingly. Now the one thing to remember about using the Canon 90d, it's a crop sensor camera, so that 200 lens gives me, without a few mil difference here there, a 300 mil reach. If you've got the light with this camera, the 90d, you've cracked it. But when I come out, if the light isn't good, I'll use my 1DX, but normally I won't put the 200 lens on. I'll use the Canon 400 prime, and I don't have any problems then when I'm out using the 1DX and it's low light. It's good. Now this setup, I do have a 1DX and a 400mm prime, but this setup, it's light enough to carry all day. Oh, well, I do anyhow. Well, not all day, but for a few hours. And it's a decent setup. I've had no problems with it up to now.